Guys, if you don't have this app, it's pretty awesome. It's called Tenpin Toolkit, and today is our first video of our series where we're going to go over the angles and targeting system and how you can use it to benefit your bowling game. Alright guys, so really excited to be here. I really wanted to just thank Simon at Tenpin Toolkit for allowing REX to do this opportunity to showcase some awesome features from Tenpin Toolkit. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to use the angles and targeting feature. What does that mean? So for this example, I'm going to be showing an example for me when I was out practicing with some of my motive equipment. Some of the angles I was trying to play. We're going to go do a little bit of like a walkthrough tutorial showcasing kind of on the screen here, going through the mobile app. How do you go through the steps? How do you upload a video? How can you look at the targeting systems? How can you make sure that the angles you're putting with the mapping software that is built into Tenpin Toolkit works? Again, if you guys haven't had a chance, please feel free to like and subscribe to Real Experience Ball Reviews, providing you guys the best content possible. Alright, so let's get started here. Alright guys, so you're going to see me talking here and you're going to see me using the Tenpin Toolkit app. We're going to walk through it together. As you can see, it's on the screen here, so you can kind of take a peek as we walk through it. So the Tenpin Toolkit app, you can go in the iOS store or the Android store. It is available. You can also use it on your iPad. So whatever works for you guys. So we're going to quickly start here at the top, hamburger menu. So there's a lot of great features with Tenpin Toolkit, and again, we're going to have a series of videos that kind of go over all of the different tips and tricks, kind of with Tenpin Toolkit and all these different areas. So we're going to start at the top left here, angles and targeting. So what does this mean, right? So this app is pretty cool. Right here, it's kind of just showing something that was preset from last time I used it. So you click the little arrow on the bottom right there, you're going to see all these different things that show up. So for this example, I'm actually going to go over here where it shows the video option. It's going to give you a couple different options to actually import a video or do live video delay. So guys, if you're at the bowling alley and you want to do live shots, I can do a different video on that, but for today we're going to do pre-existing footage from me. So we're going to go into here. So I'm just going into my files. So I picked a couple of videos that have a really good, as far as spacing and layout and what we're trying to achieve. So right here, the app tells you to pause the video just before the bowler starts their approach, then press continue. So we're gonna go here, right there, the foul line. So pause the video as the ball crosses the foul line, and then press continue. I'd say that, it's about right there. And when I go to the pins. So in this video, I believe I was practicing some steeper angles because stage 300 is a broken down house shot. I think I was trying to play like 35 with my feet, maybe like 20 to 7 or 8, somewhere around there. So it's a big angle. Of course, the app here is going to try to preset, right, based on what it's given using, I believe, AI and stuff like that. So just kind of grab these little pointers here and make it be as flush as possible with the lane that kind of matches what you're seeing. So of course, right, if you have a video where everything's sideways, or you don't really have the full shot in the video, it's going to be a little bit harder to kind of map, right, the shot that you want to get and get it spot on. As you can see here, there's that middle dot. I'm kind of lining it up at 20, just doing the best I can to create a flat view. So from here, I was trying to target it, but I don't think it got it. So let's take a look here. So I'm trying to play around 20 to 7. Let's go. Arrows. Around 20. Here. So let's see what that looks like. Let's take a quick look. So right there is a really good example, and this is just Kegel house shot, right? So the pattern library. So if you guys are bowling on a different pattern, or if you're on like the US Open or you're on Cheetah, there is a library in here that gives you all of that cool stuff where you can kind of go in, you know, and of course look at all the different patterns and see which one works best for you. But from here we can kind of look at the pattern angle, the angle of my shot. You know, did I actually execute it and throw it the way I wanted to? I set around 20-7, and believe it or not, I hit pretty close to 20-7. I would say I was maybe 20-6, 20-5. But this just kind of goes to show you guys, you know, if you're working on your angles and you're wondering, okay, I threw a shot, I think I did this, but did I actually throw the shot where it needed to be? So this is kind of like a little proof of execution for yourself. If you're practicing, take one of your videos, pop it in the system, and you can, you know, see if you're actually making really good shots. So there's some other really great features, and this is just kind of going, you can see here 16.4 miles per hour, so it measures ball off your hand to where it hits the pin. So it's kind of a double duo there, right? So you're actually getting the ability to kind of calculate your ball speed, which is freaking awesome. You know, a lot of times you'll look at the scoreboard or something like that at your local center and you'll realize there's no way I threw it 18, 19 miles per hour. So this is a really nice way to calculate your actual ball speed. So that's a really good thing to kind of utilize in your free time. So you can see here there's some other tools. So I went over here, I clicked the I button, and you can kind of see feet, the entry angle. As you can see, I take one off, it comes on. You can see the entry angle, see how steep that is there. You can take a look at that. I always like to think of Brad Angelo and like, you know, Bull U, and they always have these great seminars where they talk about entry angle and like how to visualize the lanes. This is really nice that this feature is in here and it shows that. And then the focal point. So for here, of course, I'm at focal points way this way because I'm looking really steep. But again, guys, there's a dry spot down the lane. I'm throwing an asymmetric ball. I'm throwing a jackal ghost, so it's gonna hook. Again, if I was bowling on like 47 feet and I threw this shot, ball would probably go right in the gutter because there's too much oil in the front part of the lane. Then there's some distance lines here, so you can also take a look, go a little bit more in depth on just some of the systematic features here, Tenpin Toolkit, which is awesome. So there you have it. I just really wanted to show you guys this angles and targeting feature. I know that was a really quick video. You can kind of go back, scroll around, you know, see how I did this, see how I mapped out the lane and making sure that these angles were correct. And again, right, so if you're practicing, so let's just say that you want to take this video and let's say I'm back at the bowling alley and you're like, what would happen if I shifted everything? So you can simply grab with your thumb or your finger and you can kind of push this over. And you're going to notice too, this will train your eyes on your focal points, your targeting system. So obviously if I was throwing like an MCP ball, maybe I'd be able to stand like right here and play a little bit tighter with like an MCP ball, which is like a tank rampage. And this will give you kind of that really nice you know, visual representation of, okay, so if I make some changes, and then you can kind of see your focal point change as you do that. And then I like keeping on this entry angle trainer just because it kind of lets me understand, like, okay, am I just firing the ball and like blowing it past the break point, right? Or am I actually hitting the spot that I need to hit? And that's giving me another kind of proof of execution on my shots to begin with. And again, so if you're looking at things from like a 3D perspective, you can also put it here, the top-down view. I should have shown you guys this earlier, but let's say I was going back to here. That looks pretty good. I mean, that's kind of similar to whatever I was playing there during practice. And that's just showing like when you play those angles what the ball's actually doing, which is pretty awesome. So, alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed that quick little tutorial on the angles and targeting system with Tenpin Toolkit. I know I was just kind of zooming through some stuff. I was trying to make it as informative as possible, implementing like my video and putting it in there. Again, download the application, have some fun with it. There's a lot of great features. And again, in our next video, we're going to go over some other stuff as well. We'll talk about bowling balls, how to build your arsenal, and such stuff like that. I want to give a huge shout out to Tenpin Toolkit, Simon, you know, all of our sponsors here for REX. I'll see you guys next time, and I really hope you enjoyed the video.